What's the meaning of anti-tank? Anti-tank. 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 Anti-tank.
Anti-tank refers to any weapon or strategy that is specifically designed to counter or destroy tanks. This includes weapons such as anti-tank guns, rockets, and missiles, as well as tactics like ambushes and minefields. The use of anti-tank measures can be highly effective in neutralizing the mobility and offensive capabilities of enemy armored vehicles, thus altering the course of battle in favor of the defending force. However, the development of new tank technologies and defensive measures has led to a continual evolution of anti-tank methods and strategies in modern warfare.